What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. No, wait. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and welcome back to the first video of 2022. This is Sandeep, the voice behind every video that you have been listening, and I just really wanted to thank you for this from this video for 20k subscribers on this channel. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate your love and support to this channel and all the videos that I have uploaded, and that's why I just wanted to be here and thank you personally. And as promised, I'm going to be designing this UI page design in this video. I'm going to be telling you how you can design this second page of this UI app, that is a coffee shop app. If you know, if you have seen the part 1 video, you will know that we are creating a app design in Pixellab, and this is the second video of that video series. So this is the page that we're going to be creating right here. You will see somewhere like right here, and this whole tutorial is going to be about. If you have not seen the part 1 video, I will link the video in the description below, so you can go there and watch that video and then come up to this video so that you will be in the loop. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe right now. Like this video right now as well, and as always, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So right now we are on the Pixellab on the home screen, and I've set it up some things right here just like I did with the last video. So I have a battery icon and the time icon and the color palette as well. So this is the color palette that we're going to be using, and these two elements, they're just default screen. And yeah, so this is a basic page design right here, and I've got this color palette right here. So this is the basic that I've set it up already, and that is just the basic, so you just got to start with it. Now I'm going into the background section. I'm selecting this icon right here. I'm going to select this color palette right here. The color palette will be available in the Telegram group, so check it out. Now that I've selected the background color to this green, now I'm going to go is click on here and click on shapes, and I'm going to get this rectangular shape and keep it right over here around somewhere like this. And I'm going to I wanted to place it somewhere like this and drop it down. So this is how I'm going to place it. This will be something that is kind of a slider thing, and I'm right now adjusting the radius of the effect that we are seeing right here. So 11 is the percentage that I'm going to go keep the corners rounded, and this is how it looks like. Also, you can make changes later if you want to. Now I'm going to go and click on gallery. From gallery, I'm going to select this image right here. So this is the image that we used in the first part as well. So this is the same image that I'm gonna keep it right over here. Once I keep it, I'm gonna go slide it downwards so it goes back to that white part, white layer. And I'm gonna go select shadows right here. So where is shadows? This is shadows, enable it. And right now, as you can see, I'm gonna go click the radius to the 100%, and I'm gonna go select the y-axis. And as you can see, if you toggle that one, you wanna keep it little above from the actual image, and drop the opacity of that shadow to this much. So as you can see, this is a little bit of faint and good shadow that you can create with just one setting, and this is how it looks, and it makes it look so much better. Now I'm going to add shadow to the layer as well, the rectangular layer, and I'm going to go adjust the y-axis again with the similar. So I want the shadows to be upwards. So this is how I'm going to do it, and I'm going to lock it right here. So this is how it looks, and yeah, I can always adjust this. Like I said, I'm always be able to adjust it if I want to and make changes to it. And this is all about like UI design. You'll have to make changes, come back to the design again and again, and get feedback from people. So again, I'm going to align them right here like this. Clicking on this image, I'm gonna select it, keep it somewhere like in the middle, and yeah, that is it. So lock it so they won't go anywhere from your place. And I'm gonna go click on this icon, get a gallery pics, and I'm gonna go set up this arrow right here. So this is gonna be a back arrow. If you know that application how they work, you can go back and forward from the pages. So this is gonna be a forward page, and I'm gonna go keep it right like this. You can also keep some other pages or some other icons right here or some other functionality right here, but this is what I'm doing. I'm now changing the color to it, and I'm going to change it to white. Right now I'm going to use this feature right here, pinching down it and making it small. You can also use this feature right here, and now it is set it to 12 or 12. So I'm going to keep it 10, and I'm going to go click on this option right here, upwards, then click on this rightwards. This is how it is going to be faster, so that's why I'm using it, and just adjusting it with this tool right here. So yeah, they do really come in handy with things which are very small, and it's really great. I'm gonna go copy it once again, and I'm gonna go keep it on the other side, and I'm gonna go change it to, or keep it right here like this. I will also move it around, so I'm gonna go select crop option right here. This is the crop option, and I'm gonna go move it to all the way to opposite direction, so it is now suggesting this direction right here. So this is how it looks like. This is just the basic one, and I'm gonna go click on it and adjust it a little bit more. So as I said in the last video, the alignment has to be good, so I'm gonna go click on the rulers right here. I'm also gonna go select this option right here and adjust the rulers, not this one, this one. And yeah, I'm gonna go keep it right like this and align these two PNGs, the arrow PNGs, according to that ruler, so they are perfectly aligned with the design. So that is my intent is, and this is how I'm managing their alignment with this 0 pix, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Pretty good. Sorry with the noise, but this is going very great. Now I'm just going to adjust it a little bit more. Once we do that, I'm gonna click on the plus icon again. I'm gonna select text right here, and editing the text, I'm gonna go add details. So this is the page which we call it is as details, the details of the particular copy that we have selected. So detail will be right here. Again, I'm gonna go select the font right here. So this is the font icon. From here, I'm gonna select the same font that we selected for the last page. This is Poppins, obviously. So yeah, just select Poppins and any family of the Poppins. This looks great, I think. Yes, definitely. I'm gonna go resize it a little bit, and I'm also going to use this tool right here for size. I'm gonna go keep it 30 right now, and again using this same tool right here like this. Once that is done, let's say I'm gonna go adjust it right here with the rulers. So again, I'm taking the ruler help right here, and again adjusting the detail text icon. So yeah, you can do it right here. I'm again increasing the size a little bit. So let's keep it from 30 to 35, and let's adjust it accordingly like this. So once we keep these details right here, I'm gonna go lock everything like this, and this is how it looks like. So we are done with the first part right here. I'm gonna go select these text right here and copy it like this and keep it right over here. Again, double tap on it, and I'm gonna go edit the text right here with chocolate coffee. So this is the name of the coffee that we have selected right now in the app. So this is the name. The name of the coffee will appear right here. I'm gonna go select the colors of the coffee name, and I'm gonna go select the black option right here. Again, I don't want to use the actual black, a little bit of fainter side black. So this is the black right here. Again, I'm gonna go use this tool to add the size changes to the text. Remember that I've copied the details text, so the font is Poppins right here. Again, I'm doing the same thing, copying the icon right here, again the text, and I'm gonna edit it with something else. So I'm gonna go edit it out a little bit faster like this. So I've just edited it a little bit of faster and added this text, but you take your time and create it good. And this is also a dummy text, so don't take it or don't quote me on that. This is just the text that that the app it will showcase what is the coffee is about. I've just written something that what it came in my mind. Again, I'm going to the fonts and checking in what fonts can apply over this text right here. So again, I'm going back to the same font family, which is a Poppins font family, and I've selected something like this text right here, and I think it looks pretty good with the subheading or subtitle heading. And yeah, just keeping it really nice, perfectly aligned. And like I said in the last video as well, use rulers if you want to. If you want to make things a little bit professional, then align them with rulers, that you can do. And I'm just going with this design right here. It looks pretty good to me, but yeah, you can also use rulers if you want to. Now once I've set it up, this text right here, I'm again gonna go click on this icon right here, and I'm gonna go shapes, select the shapes one. Right now I'm again adding the shape right like this, adjusting it to this icon and pinching it around to this icon. Again, I'm gonna go adjust it a little bit. So this is going to be another section of this page, which is a slider page, which will slide up. And I'm again adjusting the radius of that thing to around 40 maybe. Let's say 42. Yes, that's what I'm gonna go. And I'm gonna go adjust the color of it to black, or something which is very, faint in black. So light gray, that is what I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna go right here, select this icon right here, maybe slide it to the whiter side or grayish side, and select the gray color right here. So this is how it looks like. We have added the radius to it, and we've added and make this kind of line, but with radius curves to their ends, if you get that part. Right now I've selected the another shape and added a circle one. So this circle will also go and will have the same gray color, but in a little bit darker side right now. And I'm again go and pinch it down to this size right here, around 8 pixels, and adjust it to go right over here at the front. So this is going to be a slider that people can select, and you will know what it is, how it is about. Or if you have seen this one in the preview, then you will know what is this. So yeah, I'm again adjusting the first circle right here. I'm again gonna click on it, but first I'm gonna go adjust it a little nicely. Now once that is adjusted, I'm gonna go copy it once again. So yeah, but before that I'm gonna go align it perfectly. Right now I've added it, copied it once again and kept it right here, and I'm gonna go keep it right like this. I'm also going to fast forward this a little bit more so that I can save some time, but it is just the similar thing, copying them and adding them right on this line that we have created. And they're gonna be 4 dots right here. So this one is the last one, and I'm gonna go adjust it to this right corner right here. So this is how it goes. Now once you fill that one, this is how it looks like. I think we have to make some changes right here, but I'm gonna go select this one option right here. I accidentally made it to back side, so I'm gonna go bring it to the front. Now this is how it looks like. So now once we have this one, we're gonna go select a zoom option and select one of the icon right here, one of the circles. Let's adjust them perfectly so that align perfectly well. We don't have something that aligns them automatically in Pixellab, so that is something that I really miss. But in all the other professional UI design websites, you will get the auto align option. So right now what I've did is added the circle to the color. So this will be selected option, that's why it will glow in green color, and this is how it looks like. I'm also trying to add something like a stroke effect to it, but it doesn't really working. I'm again going to add a shadow over here. Let's say I'm gonna go select the greenish shadow, or maybe a little darker shadow or fainter shadow. So this is how I'm trying to get it to look something like it has been selected in the app. So this is how it looks like. I think it is not looking that great right now, but let's see. So yeah, I want to change it, so I'm gonna go into the shadows, deselect this one, and maybe I'm gonna go into strokes as well. I'm gonna deselect it right now, and I'm gonna go into this color right here. So maybe I'm gonna go reduce the radius of the blur of the shadow. So this is how it looks like. After zooming it out, I think it is great, but I can do better. So I'm gonna go into shadows and select a gray shadow again. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna go copy this circle again. So like this, I'm gonna go keep it right over here, and again I'm gonna go into colors right here, or adjust it over right here, and I'm gonna go colors, and then I'm gonna go select white right here. So white, once it is white, I'm gonna go keep it like this, or adjust the radius stroke to it. Once it is done, I'm gonna go adjust it and keep it down from the all these circles right out here, so it is going to be behind that green circle, and I'm again adjusting it to match it right here. So this is how it looks like. I'm again using this 1pix version to adjust it right below the the green circle, so it matches perfectly, and this is how it looks like. So I think it looks pretty good right now. It is looking like it has been selected into the options. Now what you have to do is lock them up, or make sure that they don't really miss like their place, but it depends on you. And this is how it looks like. I think it's really great. I just need to make a little bit of changes. So right now what I'm doing is decreasing the darkness of the circles. They are a little too dark and drawing a lot of attention to them. So again I'm going back to them and decreasing their color, the darkest grayish color. So that is what I'm doing right now. Selecting this color right here. Again I'm gonna go select this line right here and go to colors. I'm gonna go decrease the opacity of it as well. So I'm again gonna go select a whiter color right here, and I think now this looks really good. So yeah, I think it is perfect right now. Now the second part, the another part is like I'm gonna go copy the text right here, and I'm gonna go copy it and keep it right over here. So this is the another part of the another section where people can select what they want. Like the the section will be like if they want to have a large coffee or small. So again I'm gonna go name these options, so what they can select, what they are selecting, that will be written right down here. So if you want to have small coffee, large coffee, medium coffee, or extra large coffee, these are the options right here. So this is what this section is, and I'm just going to place it right here again. So I'm not going to show you everything like this. I'm just adding the names with the same, using the same Poppins font, and I'm again going to skip this part a little bit, but just see, I'm just copying it right here. Now I'm adjusting the second thing right here, and I'm gonna edit it with the name like medium, large, and extra large. So boom, this is how it looks like once you add all the names. I have little bit fast forwarded, but you take your time and make it look as much as possible. Again I'm selecting the large option right here, which is our selected option. So I'm gonna go select it to green color again, and I'm gonna go make it a little bit large as well, like the size of the font. So this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna go zoom it so that you can see it a little bit better. Again, once you zoom in, you can also make changes, a tiny bit of changes right here as well. So I did that right now, and I think it looks really good with this option right here. So this is how it looks like. This is so far really great, and I think you are enjoying the video so far. And if you are watching and listening to me right now, then please like this video right now and subscribe to this channel. Again I'm saying you, but yeah, I hope you are enjoying the video, and I hope you are really listening to me right now. Again, going back to the video, I'm gonna go select the price option right here, the price icon. So if people are selecting the coffee, then the price will be different. Then that price will be available right over here. That price will change accordingly the size of the coffee. So yeah, this is just basic, and then people can see, or the user can see, the cost of the coffee that he's ordering. So again, this is $11.8 right here, and this is just similar font and just the numbers. Again, I've added this square rectangle from the plus icon. I'm adjusting it right like this. I'm gonna go select this color right here to show you and adjust the radius. So as you can see, this is the how we make call to action buttons as well, but this is not the call to action button. I'm gonna show you right now what it is actually, but it's like a very good function right here which people can use, a user can use. Again, I'm gonna go to click on the white color right here, and I'm gonna go select stroke like this, and again apply it to a stroke. Again select the gray color, and this is how it looks like. Maybe again go and select the grayish color in the nicest way, and this is how it looks like. So this is going to be a option where people can select how much coffees they want to buy, how many numbers of the coffees. So this is what I'm gonna go with this. I'm copying this same text right here. Again, I'm keeping minus option right here and plus option right here, and keeping it right over here just like this. So people can select or click on plus or minus icon to minus or plus the number of coffees they want to buy. That is basically the function is. So again, I'm adjusting the plus and the minus icon right here. Right now what I'm going with this is like I'm adding the same text right here, but you can also now keep the minus similar differently and keep the plus icon differently, then put them together. But I'm just doing it with this trick right here. Just I'm keeping it with one text right here, like within the one text thing. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna keeping it. I'm adjusting it right here. I'm adjusting and I'm again gonna go add the number right here. So I'm again typing the 2 option right here. So I hope you get this part, like how people can use this one, and it's really simple again, and it is not something out of this world, but it's a very good feature. So yeah, this is how it is going to look like. People click on, if you click on 5 plus icon, so you can increase the number of coffees that you want to buy, and minus, click on minus to decrease the number of coffees. So again, this is how it looks like. Again, adjusting a little bit more and keeping it as better as possible. Again, clicking on this text right here, again adjusting it with the with our function. Clicking on this icon right here, again I'm going to add one more circle or one more call to action button. Clicking on this red. So right now what I'm adding is the bottom part right here. Again, actually yes, this is the bottom part, and the radius will be around 6, I guess. Yes. So this is the option which will show up in the bottom of the application, and this will provide the basic functions like home icon and menu icon. Again, go back to menu and something like that. So that is going to be right here. Now I'm again adding the shape like this rectangular shape, and using the same color right here, using the radius to corner, like circular the corners right like this. And this is going to be an option where people can click on to buy the coffee or place the order. So this is the button which is very important. That's why I'm keeping it in the center, making it as big as possible. Again, click on this text right here, copy it and keep it right on that button that we have just made. So I'm gonna go name it place your order right like this. I'm gonna go keep it right over here. Again, go to changes to colors, change it to white, and you can also choose and select and see how the colors are looking on this button, but I'm just gonna go with the white text right here. Just similar, but you can also see how it looks with black or some other color. But yeah, this goes perfectly well. I think the white looks great. Again, I'm gonna go add the price as well right here, so people can see how much they are paying for the coffees that they have selected. And I think that is really great function again, so that they can see how much they are getting charged for the coffee. So again, adjusting these minor changes with this icon tool, with this I would say the mouse tool, because that works like mouse and it is really good. Again, I'm fasting and forwarding this again because it is just similar and the part. So this is how it looks like. Again, I'm adjusting the name a little bit more so that it looks good and perfect with the button that we have created just right now. So it is again really good, and it is coming down really high, and I just love the way this page came out. Again, adding some more details and some more text right here, some more context right here so people can see it. Again, I'm gonna go add some dummy text right here, but that is going to be related to the application, and this is how it looks like. So this is like delivery charges are included, and this is what I'm writing right now. But this is just dummy text, and people who design UX will let us know, the UI designers know that what should be added over here. So that is not that is not your concern right now, but yeah, you need to add some text, and you can use some dummy text if you want to, just to showcase the purpose. Okay, so that is, now I'm adjusting it, and this is how it looks like. Again, I'm adding a little bit of shadow to this button that we have created. brightest, the mildest shadow right here, and this is how it looks like. So I hope this is the page that completing right now. I'm again going to add the last icons right here, which are the same icons that we used in the last video as well, the home icon, the menu icon as well. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you are listening to me till now, you are the one who are like the best graphic designer, and I hope you have learned something new with this video. And if you do want to watch the next video or next part of this video, if you are interested, then please comment down below, and I would love to create another part or another page design tutorial on this series. And just look at me what I'm doing right now, and you will understand what is happening right here. I'm again just adding the basic icons on this bottom of the thing. Again, this design can be created and can be submitted to UX designers, so that people who design actually UIs and or design actually apps, they will know what the app will look like, how the functions are looking like, and they will create they will post it to programmers. Then the programmers will create the the actual functionality of the application, and everything will work together. So if you are someone who is like not knowing what is the UI UX designs are, then I'm also doing a course on UX design from Google, which is on Coursera. So that is something that I'm doing right now, and I'm knowing a lot about UI designs and UX designers in general. So maybe I'm gonna go keep adding something on that in the future videos as well. And let me know how do you like this video in the comments below, and if you have any queries, you can also ask in the description, or you can also DM me on Instagram. By the way, follow me on Instagram, and all the links that you need will be in the description. If you need any PNGs right here that I have used in this particular video, then they will be available onto my Telegram group, and that link will be in the description as well. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and as always, I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. By the way, I'm still doing the corrections right now. I'm still adjusting this website. I'm still adjusting and making those minor changes, and that is something that really happens with all the UI designers. That really happens, that you will always have to make changes and make it more better. So this is part of the job. I'm not gonna go more into this matter. Just peace out. I'm gonna